Another cracking day. So, as I promised, I do a little update on the channel and everything that's happened. Look, she's looking lovely. Had her out today. Went and got the ears lowered. Looking better. No safety hat today. So, the last couple of weeks have been hectic, so apologies for the slow content. I left my job after 16 and a half years. I no longer work for JLR. So I took 2 weeks out to get a load of stuff done myself that I wanted to, reorganise stuff. And as of Monday the 12th, I'm officially an MOT tester technician for a big used car supermarket that I won't name in the northwest, Liverpool. Narrow it down. So I do apologise. I am back to normal now. There will be content out this weekend. There will be content out next weekend. I'm going to try and keep it to one in the week and one on a Sunday, if I can, and a couple of shorts in between. Yeah. But everything is in progress. The Millennium, everything halted. I was waiting for everything to turn up off Autodoc, which it did do last night. They didn't tell us. They just left it on the porch. So everything's turned up. So I will add a little thing in the screen somewhere here. There, somewhere around there. Showing the unboxing of all the bits now. Ooh, lots of goodies. Shocks, mounts, brakes, front rear, handbrake cable, wheel cylinders. God, what else? Bolts. Everything. Wiper, even got wipers. With the little spoilers on. So yes, I've been waiting on all that stuff. The Amiga's in progress. It will be a Shed Fest. Auto Alex, check it out. I'm looking forward to it. I am going to get some t-shirts made. I will be there with my two mates. We will have branded t-shirts on with the QR code. So if anyone sees it, scan it, like and subscribe to the channel. It's really going to help us. And hopefully get to speak to a few people. And I'll have the old camera with me. And I'll video while I'm at the show. I'm going to get an extra battery and maybe video the drive down as well. Because I think for us it's about 5.5 hours from Liverpool. So maybe a bit more, maybe a bit less. I don't know, I'm guessing. But yeah, so that's where we are. I do apologise, as I said. Everything's been a bit sporadic, but it'll be back to normal now. Full swing. Everything's going to get done. Millennium's going to be on the road in the next few weeks. That'll be good. Grey Puma will be going at that point. Sierra, running spot on as usual. Just works. Funny enough, that's probably the most reliable car I've got. Amiga, I won't say in case no one's seen the videos, but yeah. It's not terrible, but it had rust that I wanted to sort out before Shed Fest on my holiday. So I'm in full swing with that as well. And I've done a load of work on it. Yeah, and enjoying life. So thanks as always for liking, watching and subscribing to the channel. If you haven't, please do. And yeah, I will see you soon.